Cannot restore iCloud backup on your iPhone? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show how you can fix iCloud backups not restoring on your iPhone. So let's dive right into the solutions without wasting any time. Before trying anything, make sure that you have over 80% battery charge or your iPhone may not restore properly. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. First, ensure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network, as cellular data isn't enough for large iCloud restores. Open Settings and tap on Wi-Fi. Then confirm you're connected to a reliable network. If not, try switching to another Wi-Fi network. After that, consider restarting your router if you're experiencing a slow connection. Solution 2. Check iCloud system status. Sometimes the issue might be on Apple's end if iCloud services are down or experiencing problems. Go to Apple's system status page and check if there is an issue with iCloud backup or restore. If there is, you may need to wait until Apple resolves it. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open Settings. Tap General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, just install it and see if that helped. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset all settings. Next, enter your passcode. Now tap Reset all settings from here. And the issue should be gone. So guys, that's how you fix iCloud backups not restoring issues on your iPhone. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.